The Form Data feature is used to help data entry into worksheets with many columns quick and easy. Well, I don't have many columns, but you can imagine if you had quite a few columns where you had to scroll over to be able to see the rest of them, and then the others get cut off. And also when it comes to entering in data, well, instead, let's go ahead and use that Form Data feature by coming up here and adding it to the Quick Access toolbar. Right-click anywhere on it, go down to Customize Quick Access toolbar, change it from Popular to All Commands, and then scroll down to the F's for Form. There it is. Go ahead and double-click on it, adds it to the right, click OK, and then go ahead and select a cell anywhere within your data range or table because it works in either or. Then come up here and click on Form, and hey, isn't that sweet? It adds all the column headers or labels into a single window, and so I don't have to scroll horizontally to view or enter in data at the end of long rows. So there's record 1 of 11. You can see it's cinnamon. Go ahead and go to Next. And there's 2 of 11, clove, and Next, and, well, previous. That works as well. And if you want to go to a specific record, go ahead and click on Criteria, and then type in as much criteria that you'd like to narrow the search down. Like if I wanted to go to ginger, then go ahead and hit Enter on the keyboard, and hey, it takes us right to record 5 of 11, which is right there, number 5. And then you can go back to Criteria. It remembers it. You can clear it, but then if you're like, no, let me go ahead and restore it, it brings it back up, it remembers it. Or if you don't want to mess with it right now, you can, of course, go right back to the form and continue on viewing. You can go ahead and click and drag the slider bar down or up, or use the up or down arrows here to advance one record at a time. You can also delete a record, like let's delete Tea Tree, which is right there, record number 7. Delete. Are you sure? Okie dokie, it's gone. Let's go ahead and enter a new record. And then when you're finished, go ahead and click on New again. And there it is, right there, peppermint. Cool. Let's go ahead and click and drag this down so we can see it. Nice. And then we can go ahead and click on Find Previous to get us back into the inventory list. So if we go ahead and click and drag and scroll down to the end, well, not the very end because that would be the new record option, which instead of clicking on New, you can just click and drag the slider bar to the very end and get blank fields here. Then you can go ahead and type in a new record, but let's not go to the very end by clicking and dragging all the way to the end, but just a little bit before the end. And there's the last record, 11 of 11, peppermint. Go ahead and close out, bring it back up again, same thing. Just come back up here, click on it to go through it all again. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.